Hello friends, I am Priyanka and welcome to my YouTube channel Science Easy. We make your learning easy with Science Easy. In this today's video, we are going to discuss previous year's NEET exam question papers. I will make the series on these question papers. Today's lecture, I have selected NEET 2015 question paper. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the series for these question papers. See, NEET exam 2015, which questions were there in this exam? First, root pressure is usually acidic because, means here they have asked the reason for the root pressure acidic condition. So you should know about the reasons which you have studied in the plant transport, in the plant physiology. Read the options: increase in transpiration, active absorption, low osmotic potential in soil and passive absorption. What will be the correct reason? Because of that, root pressure is usually acidic. So your reason is active absorption. Why? What's the explanation? What's the reason behind this? As various ions from the soil are actively transported into the vascular tissues of the root, water follows and increases the pressure inside the xylem. That is root pressure, which is positive pressure causes due to the active absorption procedure. See the question second. Which one is a wrong statement? Remember the word wrong. Brown algae have chlorophyll A and C fucoxanthin. Archegonia are found in Bryophyta, Pteridophyta and Gymnosperm. Mucor has flagellate zoospores and haploid endosperm is a typical feature of Gymnosperms. These 4 sentences are given for you. Think about the sentences. Brown algae have chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin. Yes, brown algae is photosynthetic and so it has different chlorophyll pigments such as A, C and fucoxanthin. Archegonia are found in Bryophyta, Pteridophyta and Gymnosperms. Yes, this is also the correct sentence. Mucor has biflagellate zoospores. Think about this option where question arises. Such mucor has the biflagellate zoospores? No, it doesn't have that. So, mucor has non-motile spores which are called as sporangiospores. Haploid endosperm is typical feature of Gymnosperm. Is this correct answer? Yes, haploid endosperm is typically having feature of Gymnosperm. So, mucor has biflagellate zoospore. It is a wrong statement in this question. So, your answer should be the third option. Then, which of the following structure is not found in prokaryotes? So, you should know the differences between eukaryotic cell structure and prokaryotic cell structure. So, you can find the answer easily. Think about the options: plasma membrane, nuclear envelope, ribosome and mesosome. What will be the correct answer for the prokaryotic cell? But you should choose the option which is not found in the prokaryotic cell. So your answer should be nuclear envelope because the nuclear envelope is absent in the prokaryotic cell. See the next question. Which one of the following animal has 2 separate circulatory pathways? Shark, lizard, frog, whale. These 4 options are given here. Think about the 2 separate circulatory pathways. And your explanation is here. Whale is a mammal which has 4-chambered heart. So has a complete separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in his circulatory system. Whale has double circulatory pathway, systematic and pulmonary circulation. So your answer should be whale. Most animals that live in deep oceanic waters are. Your next question is, most animals that live in deep oceanic waters are. The options are detritivores, primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. Think about the options and the solution is, detritivores are an important aspect of many ecosystems. They can live on any soil with organic component, including marine ecosystem. So the animals which are found or live in the deep oceanic waters are secondary consumers. Next question. An association of individuals of different species living in the same habitat and having functional interaction is. See the options: population, ecological niche, then biotic community or ecosystem. Go for the correct answer. See, an association of individual of different species, mean different species are collected together in the same habitat having functional interaction. The term which is used for this are biotic community. Means population of different species occurring in any habitat comprises the biotic community. So your correct answer is biotic community. Next question. The oxygen evolved during photosynthesis comes from water molecule. Which one of the following pairs of element is involved in this reaction? See the options: magnesium and chloride, manganese and chloride, manganese and potassium, or magnesium and molybdenum. What should be the correct answer for this? So see the explanation. Manganese, chlorine and calcium is helpful for the photolysis of water during light reaction of photosynthesis. So your correct option should be manganese and chloride. Next question. Axial placentation is present in Argemone, Dianthus, Lemon, Pia. What will be the correct answer for the axial presentation? See the explanation. The number of ovules are arranged on central axis. So we can call this as a axial placentation. And this type of the example is lemon, which having the number of ovules are arranged on central axis in multilocular ovary. In which of the following both pairs have correct combination? Read the sentences carefully. You have to find the correct combination, which is in the options. First option, gaseous nutrient cycle, sulfur and phosphorus sedimentary nutrient cycle, carbon and nitrogen. Second option, gaseous nutrient cycle, carbon and nitrogen sedimentary cycle, sulfur and phosphorus. Gaseous nutrient cycle, carbon and sulfur sedimentary nutrient cycle, nitrogen and phosphorus. Gaseous nutrient cycle, nitrogen and sulfur sedimentary nutrient cycle, carbon and phosphorus. Think about all these options, which you have to find that which have a gaseous nutrient cycle and the sedimentary nutrient cycle. So the correct answer is option second, gaseous nutrient cycle for carbon and nitrogen and sedimentary nutrient cycle for sulfur and phosphorus. This should be the correct answer for this question. In mammalian eye, the fovea is the center of the visual field, where, see the options, more rods than cones are found. High density of cones occur but has no rods. The optic nerve leaves the eye. Only rods are present. In mammalian eye, means in the mammalian group, you should think about the fovea. You should think about the fovea, which is the center of the visual field, and where it is placed. So, see the explanation. Fovea has highest visual activity, which has only cone cells and no rod cell. Means high density of cones occur but has no rods. It is the correct answer for your question. Choose the wrong statement. Remember the word wrong here. Every time, remember to read the questions carefully to find the correct answer. Okay, choose the wrong statement. Option first. Yeast is a unicellular and useful in fermentation. Penicillium is a multicellular and produces antibiotics. Neurospora is used in the study of biochemical genetics, and morels and truffles are poisonous mushroom. From these options, you have to select wrong statement, which is wrong one. Think about the options. Yeast is a unicellular and useful in the fermentation. It is correct. Yeast is unicellular organism and which is useful for the processes of the fermentation. Then penicillium. Penicillium is always multicellular and which is useful for the production of different antibiotics. It is also correct. Then neurospora is used in the study of biochemical genetics. Yes, neurospora is useful for the study in the researches. Morels and truffles are poisonous mushroom. See here, if above three options are correct one, means these are the correct statements, then you have to find which is a wrong statement. The remaining one should be wrong. Means morels and truffles are poisonous mushroom. It is a wrong statement. Then what is the correct answer? Option number 4. Because morels and truffles are edible fungi which are belonging to the group Ascomycetes. Which of the following are not membrane bound? Means you have to select cell organelle which has not a membrane. Means membrane is absent along with that cell organelle. See the options: mesosome, vacuoles, ribosomes and lysosomes. Mesosome, vacuole, ribosomes and lysosomes. Which will be the correct answer for this? Ribosome, because all the three remaining options which having membrane bounded structures. So you should notify the option ribosome, because ribosomes are made up of rRNA and proteins. Next question. In which of the following interaction both partners are adversely affected? Which should be notified. Both partners are adversely affected means there is a adverse effect on the both partners. See the options: mutualism, competition, predation and parasitism. Which should be the correct answer for this? In these combinations or in these interactions, there are different parameters for the both partners. Okay, so you can identify in which of this interaction both partners are adversely affected. And see the explanation. Competition is a correct answer because during competition both partners are adversely affected. Adversely affected because in the parasitism and in the predation one partner get affected. So the correct answer is competition because in this procedure there is adverse effect on the both partners. A colorblind man marries a woman with a normal sight who has no history of color blindness in her family. What is the probability of their grandson being color blind? You have to check the cross ratio and you will find the answer 0.5. Next question. Ectopic pregnancies are referred to as, means what is the meaning of ectopic pregnancy? See the options. Pregnancies terminated due to hormonal imbalance, pregnancies with genetic abnormalities, implantation of embryo at site other than the uterus, and implantation of defective embryo in the uterus. You should know the definition or the characteristic of the ectopic pregnancies. And your correct option or your correct answer should be implantation of embryo at site other than the uterus. It is known as ectopic pregnancies. Any extrauterine pregnancy is ectopic pregnancy. Wherever it is happens, it is called as ectopic pregnancy. Implantation can occur in the all of abdominal cavity, ovaries, but 90 to 95% of the ectopic pregnancies are tubal pregnancies, where implantation occur in the fallopian tube. Cellular organelles with membranes are, means you have to find out which cellular organelles have membrane, means membrane bound organelles. See the options. Lysosome, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria. In the second option, nuclei, ribosome and mitochondria. In the third option, chromosomes, ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum. And then endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes and nuclei. Means you have to find the cellular organelles which is membrane bound. The solution is lysosomes, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria are membrane bound organelles which are present in the eukaryotic cell. Then cell wall is absent in. Your next question is where cell wall is absent in. See the options. Nostoc, Aspergillus, Funaria and Mycoplasma. And your correct answer is option 4th, because Mycoplasma are wall-less, smallest living organism. In the Mycoplasma, there is no any cell wall formation. So your correct answer should be Mycoplasma. The term linkage was coined by. See the options. Sutton, Morgan, Boveri and Mende. And it is a direct question. So, the term linkage was coined by T.H. Morgan. Your answer should be, this question is a T.H. Morgan. Go to the next question. Which of the following biomolecules does have a phosphodiester bond? Means in the DNA structure, there you have learned the phosphodiester bond. In which of the molecules the phosphodiester bonds can be formed? Nucleic acid and nucleotides, monosaccharides in polysaccharides, fatty acids in diglycerides, amino acids in polypeptides. In which of these molecules there is a phosphodiester bond? To find the answer for this question, you have neatly studied the structure of DNA. And your correct answer is nucleic acids in a nucleotide. Nucleic acids in a nucleotide, because phosphodiester bond is formed between two nucleotides of nucleic acid. See the next question. The primary dentition in human differs from permanent dentition in not having one of the following type of teeth. Dentition, dental formula. This question is based on that points. The primary dentition in human differ from permanent dentition in not having one of the following type of teeth. In the human, the dental formula for human adults and in the childs are given in the explanation. There is a somewhat differences in this because there is a development of premolars. So one molar can be increased in the human adults for the permanent dentition. So your correct answer should be premolars. The next question. A protoplast is a cell. A protoplast is a cell and having options without division, without plasma membrane, without nucleus, undergoing division. A protoplast is a primary type of cell which is causes without division. So your answer should be this question as a without division. A protoplast is a cell having without division. And plant cell minus cell wall, the remaining part will be called as a protoplast which cannot undergoes the division. So it is without division. See the next question. In which group of the organism the cell wall form two thin overlapping shells which fit together? And see the option. Slime molds, chrysophytes, euglenoids and dinoflagellates. Think about the question. In which group of organism? In which group of the organism cell wall form two thin overlapping shells? Two thin overlapping shells which can fit together. And your correct answer is chrysophytes, because chrysophytes are the photosynthetic protist. They have overlapping cell wall like soap box. Means in our soap box there is also a lid and a flat cover which can fit into each other. In this type of cell wall is present in the chrysophytes. See the next question. The DNA molecule to which the gene of interest is integrated for cloning is called as vector. It is also a direct question. And the explanation is the DNA molecule to which gene of interest can be integrated for cloning. It is called as vector. So your correct answer should be vector. Male gametophyte in angiosperm produces. Male gametophyte means pollen grain. Pollen grain is a male gametophytic structure in the angiosperm produces. Which part can be produced by the male gametophyte? See the options. 3 sperms, 2 sperms and a vegetative cell, single sperm and a vegetative cell, single sperm and 2 vegetative cell. And the explanation is here. In angiospermic plants, pollen grain is a first male gametophyte. Pollen grain divide into generative cell and vegetative cell. Means two type of cells can be formed from the pollen grains as a generative cell and vegetative cell. Generative cell further divides into 2 sperms. So 2 sperms and a vegetative cell. It is a correct option for this question. Next question. Coconut water from a tender coconut is degenerated nucellus, immature embryo, free nuclear endosperm, innermost layer of the seed coat. It is also a direct question. Coconut water which is formed in the tender coconut, it is free nuclear endosperm. See the next question. The species confined to a particular region and not found elsewhere is termed as. The species which are confined to particular region means at any particular region, the specific species can be found and not at the elsewhere environment are termed as endemic species. This is also a direct question. Endemic species means the species confined to any particular region and which cannot found elsewhere are termed as endemic species. See the next question. Metagenesis refers to presence of a segmented body and parthenogenetic mode of reproduction. See the option second, presence of different morphic forms. See the option third, alteration of generation between asexual and sexual phases of an organism. And see the option 4, occurrence of a drastic change in form during post-embryonic development. Metagenesis refers to, you should know the characteristic feature of the metagenesis, definition of the metagenesis, so you can clearly answer this question. In the metagenesis, there is a alteration of generation between asexual and sexual phases of an organism. In the solution or in the explanation of this answer, you can see in coelenterate, metagenesis is an alteration of generation between polyp and medusa. Polyp produces asexually by budding to form medusa, and medusa produces sexually to form polyps. Means this is a alteration which happens in the coelenterates. It is called as metagenesis. Means metagenesis is an alteration of generation between asexual and sexual phases of an organism. See the next question. The enzyme that is not present in Succus entericus is. Succus entericus is intestinal juice. Succus entericus means intestinal juice. See the options now. Lipase, maltase, nucleases and nucleosides. What will be the correct option? Succus entericus have different intestinal juice which are important for the process of digestion. The pancreatic juices are the separate class. Pancreatic juices are the separate class. Lipase, maltase and nucleosides comes in the Succus entericus. So nucleases, it is not present in the Succus entericus because it is pancreatic juice. So your correct option should be nucleases. Eutrophication of water bodies leading to killing of fishes is mainly due to non-availability of eutrophication of water bodies. Eutrophication causes due to the pollution, and there is a killing of fishes or other aquatic forms, and it happens because of the non-availability of, see the options now, oxygen, food, light, essential minerals. The correct option is oxygen. During eutrophication of water bodies, BOD level increases due to rapid growth of microorganisms in these water bodies. BOD means biological oxygen demand. So your correct answer should be oxygen. Say the next question. The function of the gap junction is to. It's the function of gap junction. See the options. Stop substances for leaking across a tissue. Performing cementing to keep a neighboring cells together. Facilitate communication between adjoining cells by connecting the cytoplasm for rapid transfer of ions, small molecules and some large molecules. And the last option is separate two cells from each other. The gap junction which facilitate means it can allow communication between adjoining cells, neighboring cells by connecting its cytoplasm for rapid transfer of ions, means ions can transfer from this. Small molecules and large molecules also can be transferred. So this is a function of the gap junction, means your correct option should be option 3. Gap junctions are communicating junctions in animals which facilitates communication between two adjoining cells by protein bridges for rapid transfer of ions, small molecules and large molecules. So your correct option should be option 3. Go to the next question. Match the following list of microbes with their importance. See the column A and column B clearly. The first option in the A, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, then Monoscus purpurans, then Trichoderma polysporum, and Propionibacterium shermani. And in the uses column, there are also 4 options: production of immunosuppressive agents, ripening of Swiss cheese, commercial production of ethanol, production of blood cholesterol lowering agents. Now think about these all things and you can find the solution. Solution is option second, because the first, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is important for the commercial production of the ethanol. Then Monoscus purpureus, which is important for the production of blood cholesterol lowering agents. Then Trichoderma polysporum, which is important for the production of immunosuppressive agents. And the fourth one, Propionibacterium shermani, which is important for ripening of the sweet cheese. These all are the correct matches, and so option second, it is correct for you. Arrange the following events of meiosis in correct sequence. Your next question is that arrange the following events of meiosis in correct sequence, and the sequence is given here. First, A option, crossing over, then B, synapsis, C, terminalization of kysomata, and disappearance of nucleolus. You have to arrange all these into the correct sequence. For this, you should know the meiosis. What happens in the meiosis? Different stages of the meiosis. So you can sequence it correctly. So the solution or the explanation for this is the sequence of events during the meiosis are synapsis, zygotiny, which is the first stage, then crossing over, pachyteny, which is the second stage, then terminalization of kysomata, and then disappearance of the nucleolus. These are the correct events or the correct sequence of the steps happens in the meiosis. So your option third, it is the correct option by which you can arrange the correct sequence as a synapsis, crossing over, terminalization of kysomata, and disappearance of the nucleolus. See the next question. The cutting of DNA at a specific location became possible with the discovery of. You should know the different uses of enzyme related to the DNA. So you can find the correct answer of this question. And the correct answer for this question is option number second, restriction enzyme. Because the cutting of DNA at a specific location became possible because of the discovery of restriction enzyme, which allows to cut DNA at particular sites. During biological nitrogen fixation, inactivation of nitrogenase by oxygen poisoning prevented by, means biological nitrogen fixation, it is a procedure in which inactivation of nitrogenase by oxygen poisoning, which can be prevented by, and the options are cytochrome, leg hemoglobin, xanthophyll, and carotene. So go for the correct answer. Search the correct option. During biological nitrogen fixation, inactivation of nitrogenase by oxygen poisoning is prevented by pink colored oxygen scavenger pigment, and that pink colored oxygen scavenger pigment is called as leg hemoglobin. So inactivation of nitrogenase by oxygen poisoning can be prevented by leg hemoglobin in the biological nitrogen fixation. Next question. Grafted kidney may be rejected in a patient due to, means which type of response, which type of body response, immune response can reject the grafted kidney in the human beings. See the options. Innate immune response, humoral immune response, cell-mediated immune response or passive immune response. So here you should know one thing. The graft rejection means any type of graft it can be. That graft rejection can be happened only with the cell-mediated immune response. So your correct answer should be option 3, cell-mediated immune response. Next question. The body cells in cockroach discharge their nitrogenous waste in the hemolymph, mainly in the form of. You should know about the excretion in detail, so you can directly answer this question. The nitrogenous waste material in the hemolymph, mainly in the form of, see the options, calcium carbonate, ammonia, potassium urate or urea. And your correct answer should be potassium urate, because the potassium urate is absorbed in the Malpighian tubule in hemolymph while the uric acid is released, because cockroaches directly release the greenish colored uric acid externally. So your correct answer should be potassium urate, which is absorbed by the Malpighian tubules in the cockroaches. Go to the next question. Filiform apparatus is a characteristic feature of. It is direct question. Filiform apparatus is a finger-like projection which is present in the synergids. So your question correct answer is synergids. Option number first. Acid rain is caused by increase in the atmospheric concentration of. When the atmospheric concentration of different gases, means large scale emission of acidic gases, then it causes into acidic rain. See, acid rain is caused due to the increase of the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. And you have options O3 and dust, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, SO3 and CO2, and CO2 and CO, means carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Your correct answer should be option number 2. Acid rain can cause due to large scale emission of acidic gases into the atmosphere, and common gases are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide. So acid rain can caused due to this atmospheric concentration of the gases. See the next question. The wheat grain has an embryo with one large shield-shaped cotyledon known as. The wheat grain has an embryo with one large and shield-shaped cotyledon. It is called as scutellum, because scutellum is a large persistent cotyledon in embryo of the wheat grain. It is also direct question. You can find the answer directly. The scutellum is your correct answer. Among China rose, mustard, brinjal, potato, guava, cucumber, onion and tulip, how many plants have superior ovary? You have to find which plant has a superior ovary from these options. See the explanation. Superior ovary is found in plants. For examples from the given options, China rose, mustard, brinjal, potato, onion and tulip. These all plants have the superior ovary, because there is a 6 examples which having superior ovary. So you can find its answer 6. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? You should know the functions of the skeletal system. It is also the direct question for you. And see the options. Locomotion, production of erythrocytes, storage of minerals and production of body heat. Try to concentrate on the question. Which is not a function means which function is not played by the skeletal system, and your answer is production of body heat, because Production of body heat cannot be happen by skeletal system. It is the function of adipose tissue. So your correct option is option 4th, production of body heat. Go to the next question. Golden rice is a genetically modified crop plant where the incorporated gene is meant for biosynthesis of. It is a question related to the biotechnology. Golden rice, it is a genetically modified crop plant and which is basically meant for the vitamin A source, means biosynthesis of vitamin A. Golden rice is nutritionally enriched rice and it is meant for the biosynthesis of vitamin A. So your correct option should be vitamin A. Go to the next question. Chromatophores take part in. Chromatophores are a photosynthetic apparatus present in the prokaryotic cell. So the chromatophores take part in the photosynthesis. Go to the next question. Select the wrong statement. Remember the word wrong while reading the statements. And first you can find the right statement. So remaining option should be the wrong statement. Then first option, mosaic disease in tobacco and AIDS in human being are caused by viruses. The viroids were discovered by Ivanuski. Stanley showed that viruses should be crystallized, and the term contagium vivium fluidum was coined by Bejring. Think about the options. You should find the wrong statement. Mosaic disease in tobacco and AIDS in human being are caused by viruses. Yes, it is correct. Means mosaic disease in tobacco, mosaic pattern, which is caused due to Nicotiana tobacum plant, which is caused in the Nicotiana tobacum plant, and AIDS means HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. These viruses are responsible for the diseases. The viroid, the term viroid were discovered by Ivanuski. It is the wrong one because the viroids were discovered by Diner, not by Ivanuski. So it is your answer, option number 2nd. Stanley showed that viruses should be crystallized. Yes, it is correct. Crystallization of viruses can be done. It is shown first time by the Stanley. And the term contagium vivium fluidum was coined by Bejring. It is also the correct. So your answer is option number 2nd. The viroids were discovered by Diner. So it is a wrong answer. Go to the next question. A pleiotropic gene. You should know the different type of genes with their functions. A pleiotropic gene having the characteristic, which characteristic in the pleiotropic gene? See the options. Controls multiple traits in an individual, is expressed only in primitive plants, is a gene evolved during Pliocene, controls a trait only in combination with another gene. What is the characteristic feature of the pleiotropic gene? It is direct question. The gene which controls multiple traits in an individual is known as a pleiotropic gene. So option first is your correct option. Control multiple traits in an individual. It is a correct option. It is a correct answer for the pleiotropic genes. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for my upcoming videos. In the next session, we will discuss about the remaining 45 questions. Thank you once again.